Welcome this video title Embracing Native Wood Home Decor to infuse warmth and elegance. Introducing in the world of interior design trend come and go but one timeless and versatile material that continues to captivate homeowner is wood. The warm, textile, and chaptering that would bright to a space mark it an idea choose of home decor. Whether you live in a rustic cabin or a modern apartment, introducing wood elements into your home can create a harmonium and invite atmosphere. Let's explore some wood home decor idea that can transforming your living space. Rustic wood furniture. One of the most classic way to introduce wood into your home decor is through rustic wood furniture. Think to a reclaimed wood dining table, a weather